In an age filled with educational classes on just about anything imaginable, now comes something to help you be more affectionate with your dog. It's called French Kissing Dog School. Milf reporter Daisy Dukes is here to explain what this is all about.
No, really. That's the video of the week. Of a kissing school for dogs. And it is seriously the most disgusting thing I have ever seen on YouTube. I don't even know what to say.
I've talked to the police and they say it's cool.
Well played. Well played if you're into bestiality. Looks like Rover's got a bone.
Come here. Come on.
Please never make me watch that ever again.
Thanks, Daisy. Let us know what you think below. And if you want to see more of Daisy Dukes on her own channel, click on this link. This is Judy Labrana for I Wish News.